Hello everyone, hope you guys doing great. Happy weekend to all of you. I'm sure you're having a great time weekend in LA. Last night, the whole night, it was raining. And this morning, Saturday, is still a little bit drizzle. And who's here in my house? Mr. Big Chef in the house, Karma Lodoe. And we will make Tibetan dumpling.
Juicy momo.
Juicy momo. It's you know, perfect day for the juicy momo. You know, because the raining whole night is a little bit chill. So hope, you know, we can show you the process of how the Tibetan dumplings are made. And stay tuned. Ciao. Okay, we are kneading the dough. The first preparation for momo. Right, this is how the Tibetan dumplings, you know, experts make this dumpling the round shape. Yeah, triangle shape. Yeah, see, it looks so beautiful. So we're still in the process. And here's the master chef. This is how. Well, the momo is going inside the mug too. That's how it looks like momo. Alright, so we have more coming. Here we go. We have 2 tray of nice momo ready to cook. There we go. This is how we cook in Tibetan style. Don't you think that momo looks so cute? The round one. And here the soup. The soup is pretty much boiling. With the bones, we need the soup to cook the momo for sure. Alright, so ready to go. Hey, happy weekend. Cheers to everyone. We are having a momo party today with Mr. Chef Karma. Say hi to Karma.
Hi.
Yeah, so he's the main chef for today's, you know, the momo dumpling. And just come closer. You can take a picture here.
I already did.
We are ready to rumble. And Karma is serving the momo to all the.
Oh no, first for
yeah, put one over there. Okay, let me get a plate. Okay, I'll get a small plate to serve the.
you gotta first serve the dog.
Yeah, come on, there.
Do that one, can wait.
Yeah. All right. So that's the momo. The beer, Heineken. I'm drinking beer like after a long time. I'm a Scotch guy usually. So this is just the, you know, weekend chill.
Okay. You got more moments like this.
Yeah, we have a very hot chili here, baby. This is the very hot chili. Okay, dude.
What's your name?
Emmanuel, what's your name?
Huh?
Manuela.
Manuel. Yeah, that's yours. Yeah, momos right
You
here.
want to
Okay,
just
that's
do
cool.
Hold on, what is this?
There you go.
Wait, no, take.
Yeah, have a seat. Yeah.
These are this for you.
Gracias.
Okay, have a seat.
All right, good going. Guys, enjoy the momo. Karma Chef is putting the momo here.
And,
All right, very nice.